I don't think people understand just how wild animal hair can get. Some of these creatures make my bedhead look tame. Check out these fur-tastic record holders. Kicking off at number 5, we've got the Afghan Hound, a dog so silky it looks like it just left the salon. Number 4 is the Angora Rabbit, whose fluffy fur can grow over a foot long. Coming in at 3, the Highland Cow sports bangs that hang in its eyes, total hair goals. Number 2, the amazing Komondor Dog, with dreadlocks that can reach the floor. And topping the list is the Gypsy Vanner Horse, famous for its flowing mane and feathered legs. These animals prove that when it comes to hair, nature always brings its A-game. Which one's your favorite? Let me know below.